皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about one super useful Japanese word, 大丈夫. We use 大丈夫 all the time, but the tricky thing is it can mean a lot of different things. It can mean I'm fine. Are you okay? It's okay. No thank you. Or it should be fine.It can be a little confusing for Japanese learners. But actually, the core meaning of 大丈夫 is very simple. In this video, I will give you a complete guide to 大丈夫 and I will show you how it really used in everyday Japanese. So grab your notebook and let's get started. First,The core meaning of 大丈夫 is that something is okay. It has the feeling of being safe, fine, and not something you need to worry about. That's why, depending on the situation, it can mean I'm fine, it's okay, no thank you, or it should be fine. Now let's talk about the meanings. First, 大丈夫 can mean I'm okay or I'm fine. When someone is worried about you or checks on you, you can say 大丈夫 to mean I'm fine or I'm okay. And if you say it with a rising tone like 大丈夫? It becomes a question and means are you okay to ask about someone's well-being. Let's look at some examples. 稽古大丈夫?大丈夫。全然大丈夫。稽古大丈夫？大丈夫。全然大丈夫。足大丈夫？ちょっと痛いけど大丈夫。足大丈夫？ちょっと痛いけど大丈夫。今日元気ないけど大丈夫？大丈夫。ちょっと疲れてるだけ。今日元気ないけど大丈夫？大丈夫。ちょっと疲れてるだけ。Next, 大丈夫 can also mean it's okay, it's fine, or don't worry. You use it as a response when someone apologizes, or when someone is worried they caused a problem. Let's look at some examples. 昨日連絡できなくてごめんね。全然大丈夫だよ。昨日連絡できなくてごめんね。全然大丈夫だよ。ごめん、待たせた。大丈夫。ごめん、待たせた。大丈夫。すみません。大丈夫ですよ。すみません。大丈夫ですよ。Sometimes people also use 大丈夫 to ask whether something is safe or okay. In this case, 大丈夫 has the feeling of is this safe or will this be alright? People often use it when they are worried about food, health, or the weather. Let's look at some examples. これ賞味期限切れてるけど大丈夫かな？これ賞味期限切れてるけど大丈夫かな？この薬一緒に飲んでも大丈夫ですか？この薬一緒に飲んでも大丈夫ですか？ 台風近づいてるけど、外出して大丈夫だと思う？台風近づいてるけど、外出して大丈夫だと思う？ Next, 大丈夫 can mean no thank you. When someone offers you something and you answer with 大丈夫, it means I don't need it or I'm fine without it. So it's a polite way to decline. Let's look at some examples. お箸お付けしましょうか？大丈夫です。お箸お付けしましょうか？大丈夫です。コーヒーもう一杯いかがですか？あ、大丈夫です。コーヒーもう一杯いかがですか？あ、大丈夫です。手伝おうか？うん、大丈夫。手伝おうか？うん、大丈夫。Next, 大丈夫 can mean it should be fine or it will be okay. You use it when talking about future situations, plans, or worries. It's also very common when you want to reassure someone and say something like, you'll be okay. Let's listen. 明日までにレポート終わりそう？多分大丈夫です。明日までにレポート終わりそう？多分大丈夫です。席これで足りるかな？うん、大丈夫だと思うよ。席これで足りるかな？うん、大丈夫だと思うよ。明日の面接ちょっと緊張する。緊張しなくて大丈夫だよ。明日の面接ちょっと緊張する。緊張しなくて大丈夫だよ。Now, let's look at some common patterns with 大丈夫. First is noun plus で大丈夫. This means blah blah is fine or blah blah will work. It is used to confirm that something is acceptable or okay. Let's listen. コーヒーで大丈夫だよ。コーヒーで大丈夫だよ。M サイズで大丈夫です。M サイズで大丈夫です。2時で大丈夫です。2時で大丈夫です。You can also use this pattern as a question to check whether something is okay for the other person. Let's look at some examples. 待ち合わせ渋谷で大丈夫？待ち合わせ渋谷で大丈夫？明日のランチイタリアンで大丈夫ですか？明日のランチイタリアンで大丈夫ですか？カフェラテ普通のミルクで大丈夫ですか？カフェラテ普通のミルクで大丈夫ですか？ Another very common pattern is verb form plus も大丈夫. This means it's okay to do this. You use these patterns to give someone permission. Let's look at some examples. 先帰っても大丈夫だよ。先帰っても大丈夫だよ。 もう片付けても大丈夫だと思うよ。もう片付けても大丈夫だと思うよ。ここ座っても大丈夫ですよ。ここ座っても大丈夫ですよ。And when you use this pattern as a question, it means, is it okay if I do this? So you can use this to ask for permission. Let's listen. 明日電話しても大丈夫？明日電話しても大丈夫？ここで写真撮っても大丈夫？ここで写真撮っても大丈夫？入っても大丈夫ですか？入っても大丈夫ですか？ Lastly, let's look at one more useful question pattern. Noun plus は大丈夫? The basic feeling is, are you okay with blah blah? Depending on the noun and the situation, it can also mean, do you need blah blah? Let's look at some examples. お酒は大丈夫？お酒は大丈夫？生ものは大丈夫ですか？生ものは大丈夫ですか？トイレは大丈夫？トイレは大丈夫？袋は大丈夫ですか？袋は大丈夫ですか？ That's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. ではまた。